Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got something exciting for you. As you can see, a high potential DePin AI based project called Meganet Network. The joining process is super simple, which I show you a bit later. So what's Magnet Network about? Alright, it's called Magnet Network and their tagline is train AI and earn. The idea is pretty straightforward. You share your unused internet bandwidth with them and in return they give you rewards. It's a very similar projects like Grass. When you put your idle network to work, simply you get brilliant. If you check out their X handle, you will see they are a new project, meaning you can join them in this super early phase. They have already got almost 15K followers and seem quite active in building a strong community. That's a good sign for early adopters like us. So if you want more projects like this or latest crypto and airdrop updates, you can subscribe to our Telegram channel or you can visit our blog for the latest and freshest crypto news. I have dropped all the links in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. First, click on the link I have shared in the description. You will land a page that looks something like this. From there, you need to connect your wallet, either MetaMask or Phantom, whichever you prefer. Here I am using Phantom for this video. Once you connect your wallet, you will land on the dashboard and you see the node is start automatically. So no extra step needed. It is that easy. You will see your node active right away, which is pretty cool. Next, you have got some social tasks to complete. For example, here, follow Meganet Network on X, and you need to connect your X account as well. As you can see, I claimed both points. Then head over to the rewards section. You will find more tasks like joining their Telegram group and also some X task. Make sure to complete this too. You can share Meganet network with your friends to get even more points. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.